Hello, everyone. You are welcome to today's class. In this class, we want to continue with our work, and that is revision questions for GS1. This is week 7 of our module. So, what we're going to do now, we want to solve this. So, the first question we have here is we asked to 800 centimeters express meter. That is, that to express 800 centimeters in meters. The first thing we must consider is how many centimeters we make a meter. So that is 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter, right? So if that is the case, so how many 800 centimeters? How many meters will this be? So that means we're going to divide it by what? 100. So that gives us 8 meters. As you can see that we are moving from a small unit to this unit here, the centimeter is small, while the meter is what is big. So when you move from small to big, you divide, and when you move from big to small, you multiply. So that is answer to question number 1, which is option C, right? So move to question number 2 now. Now, question number 2 says, which one of the following units would you use estimate the distance between Lagos and Abuja? So we have meters, we have centimeters, we have millimeters, we have kilometers. As you can see, all these units are measure of distance, and the distance between Lagos is a long distance, so we can make use of meters, we can make use of centimeters, why we cannot also make use of millimeters. So the answer here is what? Kilometer, because that is the highest uh, distance measure of what units for measuring what distance. Then move to question number 3 now. For question number 3, for question number 3, so for question number 3, it's almost the same thing with this. So which units we use to estimate the mass of a tractor? So mass, that is weight of a tractor. So that for tractor is very big. So we can say kilogram, we have centigram, we have tons, and we have a gram. So the answer here should be what? Ton. So which is number 3. Here is option C, which is what? Ton, because it's a very big uh weight. So for number four we have 4 kilometers, 5 meters expressed as uh, a decimal in kilometers. So we want to express this as kilometers. So what we're going to do for number 4 here. So for number 4, so that means we have 4 kilometers, then 5 meters. So we want everything to be in kilometers. So it's going to be in decimeters, decimal, right? So that means it's going to be 4 points. So we need to change these meters to kilometers. So the question now is that how many meters will make a kilometer? So that is 1,000 meters equals to 1 what? 1 kilometers. Since uh, we are moving from small to a big unit, as I've said earlier on, we divide. So which means 5 meters now. We want to change to kilometers, then we divide. That is 5 divided by 1,000. That will give us 0.0005. So that means 4 kilometers, 5 meters will then be equals to 4.005 what? Kilometers. I hope this is very clear. So that is that for question number 4. For question number 5 now, for question number 5, so we have a bag of rice weighs 35.5 kilograms. Find the weight of 20 bags of rice in kilogram. So since a bag is 35.5 kilograms, so That means we're going to multiply it by 20 bags of rice. So that means we're going to have 35.5 kilogram multiplied by 20. So in this case, so that is 35.5 times 20. Let's multiply by 2 first. So we move the decimal point here, so the 0 will go. So that means 10, 1. This is 5, 10, 11. This is 6, that is 7. So 7, 10, 710 kilogram. So that is the answer, which is option D. I hope this is clear. So if you use your calculator, this is what you're going to get as well. So for question number 6, all right. So question number 5 and question number is just continuation of question number 5. So you want to now get it in grams. So that means you want to convert 710 kilograms to grams now. So what are we going to do? We want to convert it to grams. So that means we ask ourselves how many grams make a kilogram. So it's still the same thing. 1000 grams equals to 1 kilogram, right? So we want to convert kilogram to gram. So we multiply there. That means 710 kilograms will then be equal 710 times 1000 grams. So that will give us 710,123. So that is 710,000 grams, which is that's option A. That's option A. Hope that is clear. For question number 7 now. So we are asked to convert, for question number 7, we want to convert uh, 0.25 tons, uh, 25 grams to what? To kilograms. So the first thing, to change tons to kilogram, we also change grams to kilogram. So how many kilograms? Because kilogram is less than ton. So how many kilograms will make a ton? So that is 1000 kilogram equals to 1 ton, right? So that means 0.25 ton. So now we are changing the bigger one to the smaller one. So what are we going to do? We're going to multiply. That is 0.25 multiplied by what? Times 1000. And that gives so that will give us uh 25 250 kilograms. 250 kilograms. Then it remains 25 grams now. So 25 grams, so 25 grams to kilogram. So the same thing, we have how many grams make it? That's 1000 grams equals to 1 kilogram. So that means, so we're going to have, so to change this one to 25 grams to kilogram, we're going to divide 25 divided by 1000, and that gives us 0.025. I hope that is clear. So because move it 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 0 here. So this is kilogram. We then add this plus this 250. So that will be 250.025 kilogram. So that will be give us the answer, and that is option A there. How this is very clear. So we move to question number 8. Question number 8 now. For question number 8, have you have to convert 0.005 kiloliter kiloliters to liters. So the question is how many liters make 1 kiloliters? So that is 1000 liters equals to 1 kiloliters. So in that case, so we are moving from kiloliter to liters. So we are moving from the bigger unit to smaller unit. So what are we going to do? We also multiply, right? So that means 0.005 multiplied by 1000, and that is going to give us 5 liters. So that is that on that one. Then the next one, which is question number 9. Question number 9. So you can see all these are very simple. So we have 2 kilograms, 67 grams, 2 grams. So this is already in grams, so we need to convert this one to grams. So that is 2 kilograms will then be what? 2 multiplied by what? 1000 grams. So that gives what? 2000 what? Grams plus 67 grams. So that would then give us what? 2067 what? Grams. That gives our answer for that one. And the last question here, question number 10. Question number 10. So convert 360 meters to centimeters. So the question is how many centimeters make 1 meter? That is 100 centimeters equals to 1 meters. And we have 360 meters. So we want to change this to meters. So how many would that be? So that means we are moving from meters, which is bigger than centimeters. So in that case, multiply by what? 100. So that is 360 multiplied by what? 100 centimeters. So that gives us 36,000 centimeters. Now the bottom line here is this. So if you watch the video I made on this topic, so I made it to understand that anytime you are changing from a small unit, small unit, small unit to large unit. So what I mean, just like the case of this one, this is from big units. So from small unit to big unit, you divide, divide, and from small units to big units, so you what? You divide. And when you are changing from a bigger unit, so big to small, so what? You multiply. So that's just a shortcut to it. So that's the end of this video. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification bell. So anytime I release videos like this, you'll be able to what? To get a notification of it and benefit from it on time. And also, if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. So we meet in our next video. Bye for now.